Hello. Welcome to the Hilton Pennywell, St. Louis at the Arch. That's right, we're in St. Louis, Missouri, by the Gateway Arch, staying at the Hilton Pennywell. This is so fancy. I'm so excited. We're gonna be here for one night. We're gonna do some St. Louis stuff. We're gonna see some things and eat some snacks. It's gonna be fantastic. But right now we're gonna do a room tour, and that's gonna be fun as well. I will say that this hotel is pet friendly. Yay! So if you have the doggos, bring them along. There will be a fee. We'll put that up on the screen right now, let you know what the fee is. No fee for service dogs, obviously, but hooray for pet friendly hotels. Bring the doggos. Yeah. Okay, room tour. We're gonna start with the bathroom, and I will say, first of all, that the door for the bathroom is a little weird. So this is the door for the bathroom, and it's the first time I've ever seen this. It actually opens out. It opens out into the room, which is super strange because it almost hits the bed. We have a 2-queen room here, so it opens to there, but it doesn't stay. So be aware of that. So it opens to there, so we're gonna go inside and take a look at the bathroom. Your hairdryer here, hanging up on the door. Very nice. Go inside here. The bathroom looks really cool. But this door here is gonna be a little bit of a problem. Let me see if I can find something to like prop it open 1 second. Okay, we got it. I put the suitcase there to hold the door, so it'll stay. But that's kind of strange. Anyway, back to the room tour. So bathroom over here. Lots of counter space, excellent. Light up makeup mirror, fancy. Nice big mirror right here, very good. And some towels and soap. Also some lotion, in case you need that. Coming over here, got a nice bathtub. Looks awesome, good for soaking. That'll come in handy later on. Good Crabtree and Evelyn products here on the wall. Towel down here. Single shower head, looks good. Coming back into the room here. Oh, we've got additional towels down here should you need them. And then across from the bathroom here, have your closet. So we'll go inside. Not bad, it's pretty, you can fit a suitcase or two in there. That looks good. We got a luggage rack, ironing board. Safe for your valuables. Additional shelf up here for more storage. That's nice. And oh, over here hiding in the corner is the steamer. Very good. All right. Moving on into the main room here. On this wall, we have a very nice full-length mirror. Very good. Check yourself out. Make sure you look cute before you go out into your day. Desk over here so you can do some work. Lamp, phone, should you need to make any calls or order room service. Speaking of, they do have in-room dining. Information, scan the code. All the good things will come to you. Coffee machine, perfect. Little bin down here for your trash. Then you've got 4 drawers for unpacking. Oh, and a little ice bucket hiding in the first drawer with cups. Very good. Very nice. And then 3 regular size ones down here. And then your door here. Oh, very nice mini fridge. Very large. I like this. Let's see which way it opens. Stand by. There we go. Oh, very good. Very good. Lots of space. Feels nice and cold. Excellent. Got a very nice TV. Large screen for your viewing options. 2-queen bed options here. Look very nice and comfy. Very good. And lamp with several charging portals there, very nice, as well as your clock radio and additional charging outlets there. Oh, And here we go for your directory services. Anything you need, scan the code, all will be well. Nice have a nice chair and table over here. Do some sitting, have a little snack, good view of the TV. Excuse our luggage there in the front. And then this door here, if you wanted to make it a 2-bedroom, adjoining suite right there. We're just a single, so we have the one. Then our view, let me do a little bit of blinds here so we can see that a little better. Stand by. Now I've got it. Oh, we're so close. Okay, so on the other side of that building there is the arch. It's like right there. You'd be able to see it if this building wasn't in the way. It's right there. We'll go over to that later on when we do a little like sightseeing, but very good. Very nice. Illinois over that way. Missouri right here. We're on the 5th floor. Very good. You're just here for one night, little adventure, and it's gonna be great.